Are you looking to develop an energy-friendly IoT device that communicates via Bluetooth? If so, you could be overwhelmed by the sheer number of options on the market today. But here's an evaluation platform based on the latest technology that delivers on the promise of both low cost and ease of use. It's the Thunderboard EFR32BG22, exclusively from Silicon Labs. At its core is the industry-leading Bluetooth 5.2 system on a chip. This small, low-cost, feature-rich development board also includes a variety of helpful sensors, like a relative humidity and temperature sensor, which could help you create connected thermostats for HVAC systems, a UV index and ambient light sensor, which plays a big role in sports and fitness trackers, a Hall effect sensor that alerts smart homeowners when a door or window has been opened. Plus, there's a 6-axis inertial sensor consisting of a 3-axis gyroscope and a 3-axis accelerometer. This can be the key to tracking the position of Bluetooth asset tags and beacons. There are also 2 digital MEMS microphones with PDM output, and even a built-in debugger right on board that can be easily accessed through the USB Micro B connector. Here's what you need to know to get started. Once you've ordered your Thunderboard and have it in hand, you'll need to download our free Thunderboard app for your smartphone. Just do a quick search for Thunderboard on Google Play or the Apple App Store. Then follow the simple directions to download. Next, you'll need to power up the Thunderboard itself. There are 2 ways to do so. You can either connect your own USB Micro B cable at the bottom of the board on the front, or flip it over and insert a CR2032 coin cell battery into the battery holder. If you happen to have both power sources hooked up simultaneously, to preserve the life of your battery, the system will automatically switch over to USB power. There's no need for you to change any jumpers or switches on the board. Once you've powered up your BG22 Thunderboard, launch the Thunderboard app on your phone and select your device. Now you're ready to see how the BG22 BLE can take advantage of the Thunderboard sensors. If you click on the motion section and then just move the Thunderboard itself around, you can instantly see how the app mimics those moves and how the relevant data changes in real time. Go to the environment section and then place your finger right over the temperature sensor on the Thunderboard. And before long, the temperature will begin to rise. And if you activate the input-output section, you can demonstrate simple command and control. Use the app to illuminate the LED on the Thunderboard. Or conversely, press the push button on the board to activate the switch icon in the app. Which brings us to the ultimate use of the Thunderboard, your own custom development. The BG22 Thunderboard is a fully functional development board that allows you to prototype your design by customizing the application code and connecting your own set of external sensors or other peripherals to the 20 conveniently included breakout pads. For energy profiling, advanced wireless network analysis, and far more sophisticated debugging, simply add an external Silicon Labs debugger by hooking it up to the Mini Simplicity connector. Programming is a breeze too, thanks to our free Simplicity Studio development environment, which provides you with one-click access to MCU and wireless tools, documentation, software, source code libraries, and more. To download it, just go to scilabs.com/simplicity-studio. So if you'd like to develop the next low-cost, market-disrupting IoT Bluetooth device, you might not have to catch lightning in a bottle. The Thunderboard EFR32BG22 could be just what you need. Go to scilabs.com/BG22 to get started.